Welcome to our channel. As the summer sun blazes, it's time to discover the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda to keep you cool and refreshed. In this video, we'll unveil the best Ayurvedic secrets to help you stay hydrated, energized, and calm during these hot months. From refreshing drinks and cooling foods to simple lifestyle tips, we've got you covered. Join us as we dive into natural remedies and practices that will not only beat the heat, but also rejuvenate your body and mind. Let's make this summer your healthiest and happiest one yet. Let's start with a lemon-flavored refreshment drink. For the ingredients, you'll need lemon juice, 1 part, sugar dissolved in water, 6 parts, and clove and black pepper as per taste and requirement. Or you can take 2 to 3 pinches. For the method of preparation, to 1 part of lemon juice, add 6 parts of sugar water and mix well along with the powder of clove and black pepper. It may be taken in the quantity of 50 to 100 milliliters as per requirement. Next, we have the raw mango refreshment called Aam Panka. For the ingredients, you'll need unripe mango pulp, 1 part sugar dissolved in water, 6 parts, and black pepper as per taste. For the method of preparation, to 1 part of unripe mango pulp, macerate it with a pinch of powdered black pepper and mix it well. The Aam Panaka is ready. You can take it in the quantity of 50 to 100 milliliters as per requirement, 1 to 2 times in the whole day. Today, we're going to explore a tamarind-based drink called Chincha Panaka. For this, you'll need 1 part ripened tamarind pulp and 6 parts water. You can add candied sugar or honey to sweeten it according to your taste and requirements. To prepare it, soak 1 part of tamarind pulp in 6 parts of water and extract the juice. Then add mishri, also known as candied sugar, and honey as per your taste and requirement. Mix it well, and your Chincha Panaka is ready. It can be taken in quantities ranging from 25 milliliters to 50 milliliters as needed. Remember, embracing natural remedies and mindful practices can make a big difference in how you feel. So, why not give these a try and let us know how they work for you? If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more holistic health advice. Thanks for watching. Stay cool, stay healthy, and enjoy your summer the Ayurvedic way. See you in the next video.